Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 2. Today we are going to be looking at IUPAC naming of organic compounds with the functional groups. In this, our major interest will be on the functional group, the surface, and some examples. The first one is carboxylic acid. The surface is oic acid, and the example is pentanoic acid. The next one is acid anhydride. The surface is oic anhydride, and the example is ethanoic anhydride. The next one is carboxylic ester. The surface is OH carboxylate, and the example is methyl propanoate. The next one is amide, and the surface is amide carboxamide, and the example is N-propyl ethamide. The next one is nitrile, and the surface is nitrile, keeping the E, and the example is butanitrile. The next one is aldehyde. The surface is al, and the example is 4-bromopentanal. The next one is ketone. The surface is one, and the example is trihexanone. The next one is alcohol. The surface is all, and the example is 3-methyl-2-butanol. The next one is amine. The surface is also amine, and the example is butylamine. That is a common name. The next one is alkane. The surface is N, and the example is 2-pentene. The next one is alkyne. The surface is ine, and the example is 1-hexane. The next one is alkyl. The surface is N, and the example is 2,2-dimethylbutane. The next thing we are going to look at is catenation in carbon. Catenation is the ability of carbon to form long chains. In fact, one of the uniqueness of carbon is seen in catenation. Carbon chains are formed because they form bonds, which we discussed in the first lesson, or tetravalent bonds with other carbon atoms. For example, we have branch chain catenation, we have linear chain catenation, we have ring form of carbon catenation. In our next class, we'll be looking at properties of organic compounds.